in Nizamabad. This is our 13th hospital in Telangana and the second hospital in rest of Telangana. And so very happy to share that we are now equipped with state-of-the-art facilities and we are covering entire districts, and we are happy to invite all our patients to come and experience our world-class facilities which we are providing now. And our staffs and doctors, everybody are eager to serve our patients, and wish you all the very best for everybody who's been part of this journey and making this hospital. For the last 90 days, the hard work has been put in, entire our projects team, marketing team, and our ops teams, and our local teams also. I think this is a time now we should start giving the best of the treatment to our patients also, and take our what we are known for as a mission for our organization, and giving the world-class treatments to our patients. Okay, that we need to do it, and across we have done it in Telangana and in Hyderabad also, which we need to show that we are known for that. So with that, I'm just welcoming our Regional Medical Director, Dr. Gaurav Arora. Please.
Thanks. Tension
Sir, okay. Madam, 1 minute. Sir, okay. Sir, మీరు కూడా. Sir, మీరు కూడా. దగ్గర.
Because our last weekend.
Sir. Thank you, sir. Ask Dr. Gaurav sir to share a few words.
So, good morning all of you, and the branch is doing well. So, I am quite hopeful, and I'll say I'm quite confident with the team we have. So, we will be definitely serving the people here with the utmost zeal. I will be coming to the branch on and off, but Dr. Hussain will be taking care of this branch on the regular basis. So, he will be in touch with the local team, and Dr. Shweta, Dr. Sharad is there to help you out. See, understand one thing is, business is one thing, but our main aim is giving the eye vision to the people. We should not deviate ourselves from this. So, with this, I congratulate all of you and wish you all the best for the success.
Pleasure to be a part of Agarwal family. I've been with 15 years now with Agar family. One good thing which I should tell is that Amar sir always keeps saying that there should be one motto only in your mind, that is the patient care. So if we are taking good care of the patients, there is nothing like stopping us from becoming successful, like in terms of business, in terms of. So the patient care starts right from the reception. So that is the key factor. So having a smiling face at the reception, taking good care in the optometrist room by optometrist, and then of course we have an excellent team of Dr. Sharad Joshi and Shweta. So I know that they will definitely do their best, and with a team we are having, the part of a family which we are having. The strength of Agarwal's is the specialty services compared to our competitors. All the competitors, they do cataract surgeries, but the strength of Agarwal's has remained its specialty services, whether it be glaucoma, it be retina, it be a plastic. And most of our branches are having one or the other specialist, and others, they coordinate well. There's a good teamwork in our family, so that helps us to stay ahead across the ophthalmology, and with the kind of innovations which we are having in our Agarwal's, like kind of surgeries which we are taught when we are incorporated into the system, like blue dials, be it SFT, be it KS. So these are the innovations which no one else does. So we have an edge over the competitors in terms of the services which we are providing already. And if we are just able to take a good care of the patient, provide them a good experience, then there is nothing stopping us from becoming successful in this region. So wish you all the best, the entire team.
I'm so happy, like fantastic. This is a fantastic thing for the people here. And I've been serving here last 15 years, but this moment is, I'll say this is the golden moment. This is the best moment. I want to reach out to each and everyone in this area and serve them right from lower strata to the higher strata, everyone. So any problems, anything we want to do, there's a difference between what we are going to serve and the other places. Like, and we want to have, we are going to be compassionate and comprehensive care. That's more important. And we are going to serve everyone. Like, so any problems, please let us know, right from the staff to the doctors to anyone. So we will just take 100% care of you. Please come to us and we'll serve the best. Thank you. Thank you.
Each one of us. And the team Agarwal has given us the best of the infrastructure, and best of the staff, best of the facilities. And now, as I also have around 9 to 10 years of experience in this field, so we can tackle all the simple as well as the complex surgeries. So we can handle all the simple cataracts, complicated cataracts. Also, other than that, refractive surgeries, retina surgeries we can deal with. We can work on the oculoplastic surgeries, any eyelid trauma, any congenital deformities, anything we can deal and give the patient the best of the possibilities, best results. And not only keeping in the infrastructure, if somebody is feeling that it is out of their pocket, so it is nothing like that. Whoever is coming to our doorstep, we will give the best possible treatment what we can give it. Us for any eye problem, not only the routine, not only if needed, even if you want any routine checkup, then also you should come to us. And we can see, my vision is to take this center in 1 year, it should be the #1 center in the entire Nizamabad area. And the best of the oculoplasty in the region, because there is no facilities of the oculoplasty regarding eye cancer and everything. So we want to take it to a next level. And I need support from all our seniors as well as all our staff, so that we can reach that level and we can provide the best possible facilities to our patients.
And we will be open for patients now. So we will be taking our patients also. So all the very best, team. Do your best and remember, give best of your patient care and delight your patients, and make sure that the next 30 days you should be a talk of the town also. Yeah. All the very best.
నిజామాబాద్ ప్రజలకు శుభవార్త. నేను డాక్టర్ శరత్ జోషి. నాకు 15 సంవత్సరాల ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంది. నిజామాబాద్లో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నాను, జనరల్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు అగర్వాల్ ఐ హాస్పిటల్లో నేను పేషెంట్లను చూస్తాను, ఎగ్జామిన్ చేస్తాను. అగర్వాల్ ఐ హాస్పిటల్ ఇది 13వ బ్రాంచ్ నిజామాబాద్లో. అండ్ ఇండియాలో 200 బ్రాంచ్లు ఉన్నాయి అగర్వాల్ ఐ హాస్పిటల్. ఇది బాగా పెద్ద హాస్పిటల్, అన్ని పరికరాలు ఉన్నాయి, అన్ని పరీక్షలు అవుతాయి. అందరు పేషెంట్లు చూస్తాం మేము, రండి అందరు చూస్తాను, అందరికి పరీక్షలు చేస్తాము. నిజామాబాద్ ప్రజలు మా దగ్గర వచ్చి, మా వద్దకు వచ్చి ఈ మేము ఫ్రీ కన్సల్టేషన్ కూడా పెడుతున్నాము 30th సెప్టెంబర్ వరకు. మీరందరూ వచ్చేసి ఒకసారి దీన్ని ఎగ్జామిన్ చేసుకొని వెళ్ళాలని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఒకేజన్ ఫర్ ది పీపుల్ ఆఫ్ నిజామాబాద్. We are starting Dr. Agarwal Eye Hospital in Nizamabad. This is the 13th branch, and we have more than 200 branches all over the country.
And it is with extreme pride I want to introduce you to the Agarwal Eye Hospital, and this is the good news for all the residents of Nizamabad, urban as well as the villages around the Nizamabad. And we are having the best of the infrastructure and the machineries in our center, so that we can treat the patients of all the problems in the eye, be it simple or complicated cases of cataract, any eyelid injuries, any trauma cases, any congenital deformities, squint, laser eye surgeries, retina surgeries, glaucoma surgeries, cornea surgeries, and anything and everything in the eye. So we want to share you that we are open full time from morning 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. in the evening, and we are empaneled with the majority of the government as well as the private insurance companies. So if you are not having, if you are thinking that this big infrastructure will be very costly, then we have a good news for you, that you can get into our hospital and we will treat it for you. So no matter, we have all the patients, we want the best of the facilities and best of the treatment possible we can offer to the Nizamabad people, and we welcome you everybody to take the benefit from these services provided by the Agarwal Eye Hospital. And
శుభవార్త, నిజామాబాద్ ప్రజలకు శుభవార్త. ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర ఇక్కడ అగర్వాల్ ఐ హాస్పిటల్ ప్రారంభమైంది. 13th బ్రాంచ్ తెలంగాణలో, 200 బ్రాంచెస్ ఇండియాలో ఉన్నాయి, ఆఫ్రికా కలిసి. అండ్ పెద్ద బిల్డింగ్లో ఉంది, 10,000 SFTలో ఉంది. అన్ని ఫెసిలిటీస్ అవైలబుల్ ఉన్నాయి మీకు ఇక్కడ. మీరు వచ్చి ఫ్రీగా చెక్ చేయించుకోవచ్చు 30th సెప్టెంబర్ వరకు. అండ్ మా దగ్గర క్యాష్లెస్ ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి, అన్ని ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి, అన్ని సర్జరీస్ అవుతాయి ఇక్కడ మా దగ్గర, అన్ని టెస్ట్లు అవుతాయి, అన్ని పరికరాలు ఉన్నాయి. మీరు వచ్చేసి మాకు ఒకసారి కన్సల్ట్ చేసి మీరు ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి చూడొచ్చు.
నా పేరు శ్రీకాంత్. నేను డాక్టర్ అగర్వాల్ ఐ హాస్పిటల్ తెలంగాణ అసోసియేట్ వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ని. సో ఇప్పుడు మన నిజామాబాద్లో తెలంగాణ డాక్టర్ అగర్వాల్ ఐ హాస్పిటల్ 13వ బ్రాంచ్ ప్రారంభించబడింది. ఈ బ్రాంచ్ విస్తీర్ణం 10,000 స్క్వేర్ ఫీట్ విస్తీర్ణంలో ఈ బ్రాంచ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇందులో అన్ని రకం అయిన మెడికల్ ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఉంటుంది. వైద్య కళ్ళు పరీక్షలు జరుగుతాయి, క్యాట్రాక్ట్ ఆపరేషన్స్ ఉంటాయి, రెటీనా అండ్ రిఫ్రాక్టివ్, మొత్తం అన్ని సర్జరీలు మనం చేస్తాం ఇక్కడ. సో మన లాంచ్ ఆఫర్గా ఉచిత కంటి పరీక్షలు సెప్టెంబర్ 30 దాకా మనము అందరికీ ఇస్తున్నాము. సో అందరూ దయచేసి మన హాస్పిటల్ విజిట్ చేయండి అండ్ ఈ యొక్క సౌలభ్యాన్ని అందరూ పొందాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాం.